if you want to build Lightning application. Now, if you want to create any Visual Force page, how will you create? If you want to create any Visual Force page, how will you create? Apex colon page. Every Visual Force page will start and end with Apex page. Similarly, every Lightning application will start and end with Lightning Yura application. Your Visual Force page will start with the Apex page, end with the Apex page. Similarly, every Lightning application will start and end with the Yura application. Now, under the namespace of Apex, we got a page block, form, page block table, input. Lot of components are there. 50 frequently used components are there. Similarly, there are some predefined components defined under the namespace of Yura. Under the namespace of Yura, there are some predefined components which are designed, which we are going to use to build these applications. How we are using Apex colon? Similarly, in the Lightning also, they have given few predefined components using Yura framework. So using that Yura framework, we'll be using the components. Right. So what was that? Yura application. What was this Yura application? First let us take Lightning application. It is a collection of components. It is a collection of components. What is your classic application? Generally, in a classic application, what we say? Application is a collection of tabs. It is a declarative. But Lightning also, application is what? Collection of tabs. But when you are building programmatically, it is called Lightning page. When you are building programmatically, it is called Lightning page. SPA, single page application. What you are trying to build using a application? What you are trying to build using an application? Single page application. What you are trying to build? Single page application. Yura application is the component which is used to build single page application. Here, single page application is nothing but a page. Page is nothing but an application. So we can call it as a application. We can call it as a page. So Lightning application. It is a collection of components. Every Lightning application will start and end with Yura application. This is also called as SPA. Now, if you are creating a Visual Force page, what is the extension we are having? VFP, Visual Force page. Similarly, Lightning applications will have .app. All the Lightning applications will have .app. Now, how the Visual Force pages are given? .vfp. If you go to the Lightning, all the Lightning applications will end with extension of .app. People are good with this. Now, if you want to open Visual Force page, how will you open, boss? HTTPS, your domain name like server name, salesforce.com/apex/page. This is the general URL for calling any Visual Force page. Am I right? In the program, if you want to give a URL for a page, how are you giving? Salesforce.com/apex/page name you are giving. Same concept. If you are going for a Lightning, if you want to open a Lightning application, what is the URL? your domain name slash namespace slash page name. So how the Lightning pages are invoked? How the Lightning pages are invoked? URL of the Lightning application. Domain name slash C namespace slash this. If it is a Visualforce, salesforce.com slash apex slash page name. If it is a Lightning application, your domain name slash namespace slash application.app. If you don't define a namespace, what is the default namespace? C. So what is your domain name? Domain name slash C slash application name.app.